How's it going? Thomas here, and I just wanted to post this video to talk about a brand new course that has just been released. I've been working on this for many months now, and it's all about audio and video production. So I teamed up with a top online course creator and YouTuber, Phil Ebiner, and also audio engineer, Ian Alexander. And in this course, we show you basically how you can make your own YouTube videos at home. So we take you through loads and loads of different material. The whole course is over 16 hours, and we teach you all about camera gear, audio gear, how to edit videos in free software, how to edit videos in Premiere Pro, audio mixing in Premiere Pro, also how to use OBS and how to live stream in OBS, and a load of other things as well. So if you've ever thought about creating a YouTube channel or making any YouTube videos, then this can really help you out. Or if you want to make any other types of videos, we do cover video and audio production in detail in this course. So we decided to make this course, I believe, in January, and we had a load of different ideas together, and we finally created this product. And I'm really proud of it. I think it can help a lot of people out, especially if you want to make your own YouTube videos at home. So this isn't like how to create vlogs or anything. This is how to create videos at home. So similar to this one you're watching right now, how you can make it in the comfort of your own home, so you don't have to go out and have a big crew with you. You don't have to be like a 10-person crew with directors and producers and lighting people and sound people. You can do it all yourself at home. And we've also created this course so you can do it on a really low budget as well. So you don't need to spend loads of money on fancy cameras or audio gear. We teach you how you can do it really cheap. So if you're starting out and you don't want to spend a lot of money on audio or camera gear or software, we teach you how to do it pretty cheap, which is awesome if you want to start out, because obviously you don't want to spend a load of money if you're just starting out and you want to see if it's for you. And this course, we've priced it really low as well, so a lot of people can get started. And hopefully you enjoy this course. Check out the links in the description below to find out more information about this course, and hopefully you can make your own YouTube videos and make them look and sound great. So thanks for watching this short video, and I'll talk to you soon.